Okay, little border terrier puppy going to have his ear tattoo done. The first thing that we do after we've had a cuddle, shave the puppy's ear, take off all of the excessive hair. Even if an ear looks bald, it almost certainly isn't. There will be some fluff on it, and it is important that we get all the hair out of the ear so it doesn't interfere with the pins. We then clean the ear with surgical spirit on cotton wool. Surgical spirit removes any layer of grease that's on the inside of the ear. These are really clean ears, but they will still have a layer of grease on the ear flap, and we need to get that off so that it doesn't interfere with the ink. And then we dry it with another piece of cotton wool. Gloves for the next part. Okay, these are the tattooing forceps. They're already loaded up with the next number that I need to use for this puppy. Helen is my assistant. Really important that we have somebody knowledgeable holding the puppy for this part, because puppy does need to keep still for just a couple of seconds, and Helen knows exactly what I'm going to be doing and how I need the puppy to be held. So we turn the ear flat back, slide the forceps onto the inside of the ear, straighten them up so it's nice and neat, clamp through and remove them. That's the actual tattoo done. This is the tattooing ink. It's a water-soluble, non-toxic vegetable dye. It's black. The tattoo is already there on the inside of the ear. It's quite clear to see even before the ink goes in. The ink is rubbed into the inside of the ear quite excessively because we want to make sure that all the pinholes are very well filled. And we make sure that we rub in every direction, round and round and up and down. Again, that's just simply to make sure each hole has got adequate ink in it. The ink is a little bit excessive, but it does wear off very quickly. And we're looking really just to continue rubbing the ink in until it starts to harden off and go a little bit tacky. The ink contains a mild antiseptic, so the first thing really that goes into the holes is an antiseptic paste, and that's why we don't get any infection, we don't get any nasty scab formation, simply because we're filling the holes with something nice before anything nasty has a chance to get in. And once we've rubbed it in and it's nice and tacky and quite difficult to move around on the ear anymore, that's the tattoo done. Very good boy you were. Was a very good boy. You're going to have a run round to your mum.